Hey, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to edit PDF in Canva. First of all, open up your preferred web browser. Now, on the address bar, type in canva.com and click on enter. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Now, at the top navigation bar, you will see many options here. Hover your mouse to Design Spotlight and find PDF Editor button. Click on it. Then click on Upload a PDF button. After that, select the PDF from your local device. You can now edit text, image and other elements on each page of PDF. Click on the text box here. Go to Elements and you can add many elements from here. You can also add text box in this field. Or you can also use the Elements tab to add new graphic shapes or images. You can also upload your own images, videos or audios files from this tab here. Once you are done editing, click on Share button at the top right corner of your screen and then click on Download button. Choose the PDF format from here and click on Download button again to save the edited file to your device. If you want others to review or contribute to your PDF, you can share the design link with them. So that is how you can edit PDF in Canva. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.